Peel the quarter-sized piece of pumpkin. Then cut it into cubes. Put it in the steamer and steam it for 5 minutes. Put 2 cups of glutinous rice flour and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Add 1/8 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 cup of sugar. And mix it thoroughly. Gradually add 1/4 cup of water to prevent it from becoming lumpy. Also, add the mashed pumpkin. Mix it thoroughly until it becomes smooth like dough. Just let it rest for 30 minutes. Also, mash the pumpkin to use it as a sweet filling. You can now cook the mashed pumpkin over low heat. Add the right amount of vanilla at 1/4 cup sugar. One tablespoon of flour to prevent it from getting watery. Just mix it well. After 30 minutes, you can now scoop it using a 1 tablespoon measuring spoon. And just roll it into a ball. Flatten it and put the sweetened pumpkin, then roll it back into a ball. Roll it in sesame seeds and then roll it back into a ball dot to prevent the sesame seeds from falling off when frying. And there you have the finished sesame balls. Preheat the cooking all to 350 degrees Celsius. 660 to degrees Fahrenheit. You can now put the sesame balls in. Just cook them until they turn golden brown. You can now remove them and drain them too. Remove excess oil. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates to my YouTube channel. Thanks!